Hello everyone, I am Karishma and I'll be giving you a demo to show how to provision and configure servers automatically. So the two service providers that I'll be using is DigitalOcean and EC2. So I'll be creating a droplet for DigitalOcean and an EC2 instance. Here are the list of files. As you can see, there are no dependencies which are already installed, and the dependencies are listed in package.json, and the dependencies will be installed through the script. So the first step is installing dependencies. The second step is provisioning a droplet from DigitalOcean. The third step, which is currently going on, is provisioning an AWS EC2 instance. As you can see in the previous case, you can see the IP address of the droplet, and this is the ID of the droplet. Right now we are waiting for the EC2 instance to be up. This would take quite some time. And once the EC2 instance is up, we can get access to the public IP address. So as you can see, this is the public IP address of the EC2 instance. So since we already saw that we could create a droplet successfully, the same is getting reflected in the DigitalOcean console. Similarly, this is the EC2 instance, which is currently in the running state, which was just created by me. The next step is waiting for activation. So before Ansible can try to do an SSH to these two hosts, it takes quite some time for the host to be up, and hence I've added a wait of about 1 minute in my script. So now through the Ansible playbook, we will try to deploy NGINX web server on both of these hosts. So far the status says okay. Meanwhile, I'll just show you the files. So as you can see, the node modules, which means that all the dependencies have been installed as a part of the script. The second file to be noted is the inventory file. So the inventory file created two entries. One was for the DigitalOcean node and the other was for the AWS node. And this inventory file was in return being read by Ansible playbook. And the YML being used is the Ansible playbook.yml. We can now verify whether the servers are up on these hosts. So this host is for the DigitalOcean droplet. And this one is the AWS EC2 instance, and we can see that the NGINX server is up on both of these hosts. This was the demo for automatically provisioning servers and further creating the inventory file, and then making the Ansible playbook install the NGINX web servers on these two hosts. We can also view the contents of the script. So as you can see, we did an npm install to install all the dependencies needed by Node.js. Node digitalocean.js is the file which will be used for provisioning the droplet. The aws.js file will be used for provisioning EC2 instance. And then finally, we will have the Ansible playbook reading the inventory file and the Ansible playbook.yml to deploy the NGINX web servers. That's pretty much it. Thank you.